Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I got BMW Group car. Basically, what happened? Suddenly, raving get high and down, high, down. This car been to couple of garages and done some amendments. You can see screw here, cover the pipe, and little bit new perch valve here. Yeah. So, however, they are not success. After that, this car been to the local another garage and they done the diagnostic and vehicle has a P0300 combination misfire, P304 cylinder 4 misfire detected, and also cylinder 2, cylinder 1 and combination misfire, and there is another P2279 air intake system. Something not right, look like to me some boost leak somewhere. That's why the rave going up and down suddenly. Same like a misfire and air leak. First thing first, I'm going to use I already removed the cover and I'm going to inject my air line. Right, should be it's holding. Yeah, and after that I'm going to use my smoke machine, positive to positive, negative to negative. Switch on. I had to wait until smoke come. If you have a like this machine, it's very useful for like this problem. See the now smoke starting. Yeah, then I'm going to connect here. Yeah, and wait around 2 minutes, depend on the leaking. Yeah, they change crank ventilation or PVC valve also. Well, I need to have a good word with the customer, what's going on and what's happened. I can see some smoke come from here. You can see it's coming some here. Sorry. Yeah, here. See this one, not clip at all. That's a could be the problem. I'm going to switch off and I'm going to connect this one properly because visually I try to identify. I couldn't identify anything. However, I'm going to click in this one. Look like it's in now. Yeah. Then I'm going to disconnect here. Right. I'm going to install everything and have a look for the engine raving, fluctuate, what happened. We already found the problem and we install back and install the cover, all done at the engine bay. Now we'll see what happened to the other problem and we'll see what happened to the raving problem or idle fluctuate. going up and down. Yeah, I'm going to leave it my computer here, and I'm going to plug in my connector and come to you. Right, now I'm going to take a fault code first. At the moment 7 faulty code under engine management. Yeah, same faulty code I get from the same like a paper. I'm going to clear every fault codes. At the moment you can see all nice and green, but however I can't stop from here. I had to start the car and physically need to check what's going on here. Give me a 5 minutes the car and start the car. Right, okay, car stop. Right, again ignition off and ignition on. I'm going to take a faulty code under engine management. Still no any faulty code, but car get misfired. I'm going to check the faulty code again. Right, we fixed the air leak problem, and after that random misfire and cylinder number 2 and 3. As a next step we need to do the 4 spark plugs and 2 coil pack and have a look what's going on for the next step. But however I'm going to stop from here. I'm not going to do the this experiment because customer need to step back, unfortunately. Okay then, thanks for watching. You know, if you have a air leak, what you have to do. Thank you. See you in the next video.